Hello, this is a Pathfinder car. Now I am installing the Pathfinder Pathfinder interface in this car. Now I'm showing you the all plug diagram how you can install the interface in this car. This is the all wires. Okay, you just need to connect which connectors I am showing. These connectors, this one connector. 1 2 3 connectors. Okay, and this one for the panel. Last I will show you. First this one. First you need to remove this. First just off the car. Okay, open the door. First you need to remove the OEM screen. And keep remember, no need to connect this cable with our interface, so you need to put it here back. Okay, remove the screen OEM. Okay, now first you need to connect this connector. There's a big one connector. Okay, connect with this. Okay, the second one is with this. Okay, 4 connectors. Okay, third one is here on the down. Okay, okay, come on. Now put all the wires. This one is for panel. Which cable, which harness we remove from the panel buttons, we need to connect it here with the panel. Yes, this one. So we need to connect this here for panel. And this connect with panel button. Okay, this harness. Now put all the wires from here to here. Now these wires need to connect with in our screen. These 2 wires. Okay. GPS camera. This one is for the rear camera wire. An accessory also you will find this camera, this wire for rear camera. Okay. Okay, now need to connect these 5 wires. 1 2 3 4 5. Need to connect these 5 wires with our interface. Okay, first I am connecting now the power cable. Okay, second the GPS. Okay, this one is for rear camera. Also you will find this cable an accessory with second number. Connect this one and be careful, this one and this one harness is same. Okay, so you with sticker cable harness you need to connect here with left side, and this one need to connect here. Okay, so all wires connected now. And only but be careful about the panel. The panel need to connect this harness with the panel. Okay, with our accessory.